Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Professor Hassan Sheikh. I hope you are fine and enjoy beauties and colors of life. Welcome to online classes. I have made this YouTube channel in order to provide you latest videos and lectures of my various subjects. You all are requested to subscribe this channel for more videos and lectures in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, every topic is important and every topic has its own value and significance. Today we are going to discuss another significant topic that is called listening effectively. How to listen effectively and what are the main features of listening. Before we discuss listening effectively, I would give you 2, 3, 4 definitions of listening. You have been getting these definitions from various teachers. But here I would like to quote a great American writer, Ernest Hemingway, who writes, "When people talk, listen completely. Most people never listen." And other writer, L.J. Shaham, says, listening is the attitude of the heart. Similarly, Ray T. Bennett says, do more listening than talking. These different writers provide different definitions, and each definition possesses pearls of wisdom. Shedding light on the topic, Ellen Loco says, honor your relationship by developing listening skills. Every good conversation starts with good listening. Good listening involves much more than just hearing the words of a speaker. Good listening is also called active listening, and it helps you to succeed in many areas of life. When you listen well, you understand, you evaluate it. What are the key features? What are the sound techniques which could be followed for proper listening skill? Dear students, you face teachers, professors. In the class, they talk, and sometimes you get things and sometimes things go out of your mind. Now, if you focus on 6 points that I am going to share with you, rest assured, be confident that nothing will go out of your mind, nothing will slip from your mind. Number 1 is prepare to listen. Note the topic and recall what you already know about it. Second point. Third is pay attention to the structure of the message. Number 4 is take notes. Number 5, ask questions aloud or silently. Number 6 is listen for feelings as well as thoughts. Now, we define, we explain each point. Number 1, prepare to listen. Prepare to listen is concerned with your listening skills. Clear your mind of other thoughts. When a speaker is talking, do not start reading papers. Do not browse the pages of the book. Just focus on what is he conveying to you. What is delivered by the teacher. What is delivered by the professor. Pay 100% attention to that. This is the way how to listen effectively. The first point, prepare your mind. Be ready to get what is given to you by teacher, by professor. It is concerned with class, and the same topic is concerned with the whole, out of the class, everywhere you listen. The second point comes, note the topic and recall what you already know about it. It is easier to understand. Every topic is familiar. Try to connect the past topic with the present topic. You have a lot of information. Suppose a teacher is talking about Parveen Shakir. A teacher is talking about William Shakespeare or Bill Gates. You have some information in mind. The present information that is shared by a teacher, by a professor, connect these pieces of information to the past. You already know about it. By doing this, your information doubles. Your knowledge on the subject is increased. Then comes pay attention to the structure of the message. Every piece of writing Every clip, every video carries a message. Even our lectures present some sort of message. Whatever is delivered in message, in talk, try to get the essence, try to get its fruit, try to understand what is behind the words, what is being transferred by the teacher. Then comes take notes. Every student has a pen and you start writing. Take notes means note the important points or essential details. It is not necessary that you are supposed to write every line or every point of a speaker. Just focus on main points. When you go home, when you reach home, your mind is broader. Refer other notes, refer dictionary, go on visiting different websites, open books, and you prepare your own notes in order to double the topic. Then comes ask questions aloud or silently. Dear students, when you are listening to a speaker, when you are listening a teacher, if you feel confused, if you are not clear, if you are perplexed, if you face difficulties, asking question is basically opening the door of your learning. You ask questions. Sometimes you do not ask questions. Put up these questions. Just judge yourself. Do I understand what is being taught? Then comes listen for feelings as well as thoughts. We all have feelings, we all have thoughts. Focus on the speaker's tone, gesture, posture, whatever is being conveyed. So, if you follow these 6 points, again I repeat, prepare to listen, note the topic and recall what you already know about it, pay attention to the structure of the message, take notes, ask questions aloud or silently, listen for feelings as well as thoughts. Dear students, I'm sure, I'm confident that if you work on these points, whatever the formula I have given you, focus on it, stick to it, learn it, catch it, get it for effective listening. Thank you very much for patiently listening to me and watching to me.